I'm Amber, chiropractic student intern here at Health From Within, and today I'm going to be showing you some exercises on how to combat poor posture in kids. These days, unfortunately, poor posture is becoming super common due to text neck, backpacks, sitting a lot, things like that. Go check out Dr. Kehoe's video and he explained it a little bit more, but in this one I'm just going to show you those exercises that you and your kids can do to prevent poor posture. So first, Dr. Kehoe is going to be my model. I'm going to have him facing sideways, and what we're going to have him do is head retraction. So he's going to be standing here neutral, and then I'm going to have him tuck his chin in, making a double chin, and then go forward again. And then one more time, and that's going to strengthen up the neck muscles. Next, we're going to do, it's called Brugger posture. So what I'm going to have him do is stand facing forward, arms 90 degrees, and then he's going to bring back his shoulders and retracting his head just like before, taking a deep breath in, exhaling, and then going back to neutral. What we're going to do next is called the single arm doorway stretch. So find a doorway or any kind of ledge like this, and I'm going to have Dr. Kehoe put his arm up on the ledge, and then he's going to step forward, and that's going to be pulling those pec muscles and strengthening those. And then he can step back and repeat that as many times as needed. Great. Next, we're going to have Dr. Kehoe lay on the ground, and this one's going to be a floor angel, it's called. So he's going to lay with his legs up, and then he's going to put his arms out and 90 degrees above him, and he's going to slowly lift them up, keeping his forearms on the floor, and bringing them back down and repeating that. Very good. All right, so I hope you found those exercises helpful, and we will see you soon.